Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. The same goes with display systems and monitors. We here at General Digital like to help out our customers in the easiest and best way possible to suit their needs. Here is our guide to troubleshooting our display systems and monitors. If the green LED on the front bezel is illuminated, it indicates that the power supply is functional and connected properly. If the LED does not function properly, continue to the next few steps. Verify that the power supply is properly connected to the LCD monitor and an AC power source. Inspect the cable for any physical damage. Verify that the external power supply is functional. Verify that a video signal of compatible resolution and refresh rate is being provided to the monitor. If all fails, contact General Digital Service Department for a return material authorization. Check brightness and contrast settings. If either setting is too low, the display will appear dim. Determine how many hours your monitor has been running. Backlights will reduce to 50% original brightness after approximately 50,000 hours. If adjusting brightness control has no effect, the VR rating or method of adjusting brightness is not compatible or correctly connected to the inverter. Be sure that you are using a quality video cable. General Digital recommends a shielded 3-wire coax with a twisted pair for H-Sync and V-Sync. Replace the video cable. Ensure that your video source supports VESA standards. Activate the OSD menu. Select the Auto Setup function. If this does not correct the problem, then continue to the next steps. Display a 50% gray pattern on the LCD display. If vertical bands are evident, activate the OSD menu and adjust the image size function until the vertical bands vanish. Use the tuning function to fine-tune the image. After powering down the unit, wait for a minimum of 2 seconds before powering up. This gives the capacitor a chance to discharge.